What's going on, guys? We're out here on the GSX-S1000 trying to learn how to wheelie this thing. It's so scary. I'm trying to power wheelie from first gear, traction control off, power mode A. I was trying it in power mode B. I think I have to be in power mode A, but I'm just too much of a wuss to really pull on the throttle. Let me know if you guys have any tips for me. I think I just have to twist the throttle and just let it get up. I've popped it up a few times. It's just trying to get over that feeling of the wheel coming up. So I'm just scared. I really want to wheelie this thing. People make it look so easy, just power wheeling or clutching up. With this bike, you just twist the throttle and the bike will come up, but I'm scared. I know it's so easy. You just gotta twist the throttle, but I don't want to twist the throttle and then I end up looping it or going too far back. I do keep my foot over the rear brake. I know to do that. It's just I'm scared to bring it up. With the R3 that I had, I could clutch that up and be fine with it. Wouldn't be scared because it's a lighter bike, a cheaper bike. You have more play in the throttle. With this, you have like no play in the throttle. It's really twitchy. But yeah, that's what I've been trying to do today. We'll see if we can get one little one on this video. But we'll see, we'll try. So here's the bike. Haven't done anything new to it. Yeah, nothing really. It's the same that it's been. I really want to get headers. I still have the stock headers, so I still have the Cat. Still have the Dominator GP3 slip-on. What I would really want is the M4 exhaust, the full exhaust. But I don't want to spend that much money. It's like $1,000. But I would probably just get the Black Widow headers. They're like $400, and just attach it to the Dominator. I'm sure it'll be really loud, but we'll see. Let's get on. I need like an empty lot to practice on. So take the traction control off. Let me try in power mode C. The throttle will be a lot smoother. Can I get up here? No. Need more space. I'll probably feel a lot more comfortable in power mode C. Throttle's not as twitchy. But let me know, do you guys just twist the throttle and just let it do its thing? Or do you, I know you're not supposed to yank on but some people will use their back. So they lean forward and lean back to wheelie. I've seen that. Alright, let's try. Nope. On the hill? Oh, it popped up a little bit. Let me try again. Oh! We're popping it up. Oh, again. Oh, neutral. Maybe I gotta sit back. Alright, rear brake is there. Nope. Alright, right here. I heard the power band is like between 8 and 10. Sit back. Rear brake. Nope. I popped it up right there. C is not doing it. Alright, let's switch to B. Rear brake. Nope. Damn, I suck, guys. I suck. Nope. Oh man. Give me some tips in the comments. Tell me to stop being a wuss and just yank on it. Give me some tips, guys. I've been noticing more vibration in the handlebars. I don't know if it's just me or what. I don't know if the bike, I don't know if something's wrong with the bike. I checked the tire pressure. The tire pressure is good. It's smoothed out a little bit, but I'm still getting some vibes. Still getting some vibrations. It kind of feels like it's in both tires. Damn, I suck. I just want a wheelie. I wish I had a Grom to practice on. I honestly thought about trading this bike for a Grom. Like, that sounds so crazy, trading a 1000 for a Grom. But I know I would have a lot of fun and I would get to practice wheelies and not be as scared. I wish I still had my R3 to practice on, but I just can't afford having two bikes. But one day we'll get there, we'll get a Grom. But don't worry, I'm not trading my bike for a Grom. But let me know if you guys have any tips to pop the wheelie safer. I know a power wheelie in first gear is not safe at all. I know clutching up would be safer, but I feel like clutching up a 1000 is a lot more scary than clutching up a 300 or a 600. It just comes up so fast. But give me some tips, guys. Thanks for watching. Maybe we'll get one right here. Nope. I'm too scared, guys. Give me some tips. Thanks for watching. Peace out.